The importance of filter change, your air filter in particular. Today's vehicles with the computer-controlled fuel, air, all the monitoring that the computers do for the efficiency of the vehicle, a lot has to do with the air intake. Your air filter for your car is important to filter out all of the contaminants like leaves, dust, from entering into the engine and potentially doing damage. Having a clean air filter allows the maximum amount of air to pass through for the efficiency of the engine. Once your air filter becomes clogged, it restricts the amount of air that the engine is able to breathe in result, lessening the power of the vehicle. Having a clean air filter can also help improve slightly on your fuel economy, but you will definitely notice a difference with a clean air filter on the performance, the get up and go of your engine.